Mercedes-Benz India introduces ownership solution. Wishbox. Mercedes-Benz India introduces Wishbox, an innovative ownership solution for customers. It includes 3 offerings, namely key-to-key that helps you own 2 stars in 4 years. Celebration 25, which offers 4 easy installments to own the star and 0 down payment with low rate of interest. Additionally, lucky customers may also win a chance to watch Roger Federer live in action. M&M sets up first car assembly plant in Sri Lanka with Ideal Motors. Mahindra and Mahindra. M&M has set up its first passenger car assembly plant in Sri Lanka in collaboration with local partner Ideal Motors. It is located about 60 kilometers from Colombo. The plant has a yearly capacity of up to 5,000 units and will provide direct and indirect employment to about 200 people over the next 2 years. Delete models' sexual pics with car or get sued. Ferrari to designer German fashion designer Philipp Plein received a legal notice from Ferrari, threatening a lawsuit and asking him to delete pictures of performers making sexual innuendos, along with his personal car. Ferrari also asked Plein to not take pictures of his line of shoes with his Ferrari car. Ferrari said the photos showed a lifestyle totally inconsistent with Ferrari's brand perception.